Hey ChatGPT, how does someone become a good person? Becoming a good person is subjective and can vary depending on individual values and cultural norms. However, there are some general principles and practices that can help guide someone on the path towards being a good person. Here are a few suggestions. Number 1. Cultivate self-awareness. Take the time to understand yourself, your beliefs, values, and emotions. Reflect on your actions, thoughts, and their impact on yourself and others. Continuously strive for personal growth and self-improvement. Number 2. Practice empathy and compassion. Seek to understand and empathize with others. Treat people with kindness, compassion, and respect, regardless of their background or circumstances. Show empathy by listening actively and considering different perspectives. Number 3. Act with integrity and honesty. Be honest, trustworthy, and reliable in your words and actions. Adhere to moral and ethical principles. Keep your promises and commitments, and take responsibility for your actions. Be consistent in your behavior, showing integrity in both public and private spheres. Number 4. Practice fairness and justice. Treat others fairly and justly, regardless of their differences. Be mindful of your biases and prejudices, and strive for equality and equity. Advocate for justice and stand up against injustice or discrimination. Number 5. Show gratitude and appreciation. Cultivate a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the people and things in your life. Express gratitude towards others, acknowledge their contributions, and show appreciation for their efforts. Gratitude can foster positivity and strengthen relationships. Number 6. Engage in acts of kindness and service. Look for opportunities to help others and contribute to the well-being of your community. Engage in acts of kindness and service without expecting anything in return. Small acts of kindness can make a significant difference in someone's life. Number 7. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally is important to be able to be a good person to others. Prioritize self-care activities that promote your well-being, such as exercise, proper nutrition, rest, relaxation, and pursuing activities that bring you joy. Remember that becoming a good person is an ongoing process. It requires self-reflection, continuous learning, and a commitment to personal growth. Be patient with yourself, embrace your imperfections, and strive to make a positive impact on the world around you. Subscribe for more videos like this.